Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, the Google Wi-Fi system and the eero 6 Plus mesh Wi-Fi system. If you're in the market for a new Wi-Fi system, this video is for you. But before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Google Wi-Fi system is a budget-friendly option, coming in at just $99. On the other hand, the eero 6 Plus mesh Wi-Fi system is priced at $239. While it may have a higher price tag, the eero 6 Plus offers gigabit speeds and additional Wi-Fi bandwidth, making it a great option if you need faster connectivity for multiple devices. When it comes to coverage, both the Google Wi-Fi system and the eero 6 Plus mesh Wi-Fi system excel. The Google Wi-Fi system offers a single Wi-Fi point that covers up to 1,500 square feet, while a set of 3 covers homes up to 4,500 square feet. Similarly, the eero 6 Plus provides reliable connectivity throughout your home, eliminating dead spots. With both systems, you can add additional access points if you need more coverage. Setting up a new Wi-Fi system should be a breeze, and both the Google Wi-Fi system and the eero 6 Plus mesh Wi-Fi system deliver in this area. With the Google Wi-Fi system, a simple app guides you through the setup process, allowing you to quickly get your Wi-Fi network up and running. The eero app offers a similar experience, ensuring a seamless setup for users. You'll be connected in no time. Having a reliable Wi-Fi connection is essential, especially when working from home or streaming your favorite shows. Both the Google Wi-Fi system and the eero 6 Plus mesh Wi-Fi system offer reliable connectivity with minimal drop-offs and dead spots. However, the eero 6 Plus utilizes its patented TrueMesh technology to intelligently route traffic, further reducing drop-offs and enhancing the overall reliability of the network. And that wraps up our comparison of the Google Wi-Fi system and the eero 6 Plus mesh Wi-Fi system. Both of these products offer excellent Wi-Fi coverage, easy setup, and reliable connectivity. Depending on your needs and budget, you can choose the Google Wi-Fi system for an affordable option or go for the eero 6 Plus mesh Wi-Fi system if you require faster speeds and enhanced network management features. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.